this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on day 13, sketch design for page maps. And this is a fun sketch. Basically what I see when I look at it is like an 8.5 by 11 put onto a 12 by 12. It has 3 strips of paper. Basically that's your layout, and it's just put onto another piece of cardstock. So it's going to be relatively easy. A couple different pattern papers, a couple photos, and the title in a circular cluster, main cluster. So this will be fun. I picked some photos of our new baby. We have a new baby horse, and her name is Raven, and she's 3 weeks old today actually, and she's doing really well. So I thought I would get her photos in a scrapbook, and I'm going to use this one. It's a really nice long vertical photo, and then this one I'll probably cut that like this and then cut him out and place it underneath, and then this one I'll cut and I can actually put mama somewhere if I want to, and put 4 photos or even 5 if I include him by himself. But it's fun. This is going to be a great layout. So I have to pick some papers, and I'll probably get some green papers, maybe some grass, I don't know. We'll see what I come up with. I'll be back in a second. Alright, I dug through my horse stuff and I found this new collection, something I unburied while I'm organizing, and it's from Stamperia called the Romantic Collection Horses. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. But I don't know if it really goes with baby horses, so let's just leaf through it real quick and I'll show you. These are not very heavy weight. They're a nice weight, but not like I'd have to back it if I was going to use it for a base. And this one, isn't that pretty? It's really, really pretty. And that one, that would be kind of cute, huh, with the green. Now I'm looking for something wood green, I think. And I pulled one out that has a picture of a horse on it I really didn't like. And the wood grain is on the back of it, so I'm thinking this would be good too to use. I'm looking for, something to use as the base, and that crackle background would be good. I might be able to cut out one of these horseshoes too. Maybe Love or Freedom, because she's out being free. It was like one of the second time she was out in the pasture. Oh, they're so nice. All the different kinds of horseshoes. Oh, there's a little one there, but that's a pony, not a baby. Foals are different than ponies. Alright, so this is the one that I think I'm going to use. It's a really nice wood base, right? And on the other side is this, which is really pretty too, but this horse's head looks kind of funny to me. So I'm going to go ahead and use this side because I really like it. And some other papers I pulled out. This is from a stack that I had. I might be able to use it as a mat because it's really, I don't know, it might clash with that brown. We'll see. And this is also from that stack. But this is from Authentique Cowboy Country, I think it was called. And these little pieces here I was saving because they're really nice. They look they'd be nice with the strips of paper like they have in the sketch. And then I really like this one, but I don't know. I might fit a strip of this in. There are some of the pink colors in this floral, so it wouldn't look so like, oh my God, what is that doing there? I can cut it and see if it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit, I can take it away, right? So let's see what I need. It'll probably be 2-inch strips, and I might have to make them a little bit wider. It depends on how wide I cut my photos. So I will cut those and then go from there. Cut my pieces to 2.5, and this is going to fit right on here. Isn't that cute? It works out well. You'd have to look at it twice to see that it wasn't made that way. So let's see how I'm going to put it here. And I cut this piece of yellow for the background. I love how it really makes it look sunny and shiny. Okay, so with it being on my Versamat, I can put it in the corner where it has 0 here. Let me make sure I have you there. So it says 0 here. And then with my photos arranged on here, I can guess, so it's like at 6.5 to 9 3/4. So 3.25 inches is the size of the piece I need. I like this top border. I like having that dark blue. It's like a stopper for your eye to go to the page, go to the border and stop right there. Decided to ink the edges of my paper pieces just to make them really stand out against that yellow background. And I'm going to use mocha ink and a little sponge dauber. Makes a big difference. Everything, got it down. Looks really cute. I like it. I did have to piece a little bit here. I measured wrong. That's okay. And now I'm going to ink the edge of this again with the mocha. Okay, in this sketch by Page Maps, they have stitching around the outside of the frame. So I'm going to get the frame adhered down, and then I'm going to stitch around it with my stitching stamp that I used in yesterday's video. Check that out if you want to see another way to use it. So this is really nice. I like it. I need to get these embellishments out from, I need to decide what I'm going to do. I do bring out some little horses I had, and these are actually unicorns. This one has a purple horn. I can trim that off. So that is really cute. And this one the same way. So I also have a stamp set or a sticker that I've been trying to use up. And I could put this down here. Maybe not. I think it's going to take up too much room. But we'll see. It's clear, so we'll see how it goes. It needs to be used or tossed, right? Yeah. I think it might be okay. We'll see. I do like the more realistic look than these, but we'll see. Those are my 2 ideas for that. So we'll get the stitching done first, but I need to make sure I have this up high enough if I'm going to put this sticker down. Let me see. The sticker's down. So I guess it's going to stay there. But I'm going to mark my corners with a pencil so I know where to stitch. Yeah, it's really faint. Hopefully I'll be able to see it just fine. Okay, I took some time and went through and tried to find some little embellishing things. And I brought out some brackets that I had already made and label type things. And I decided I like this color, but it's really bright. It makes your eye go right to it. And I didn't want that. I want the photos to be the focus. So I went ahead and made one. I think this is the color. Yeah. If you need anything close to my heart, my link is in the video description below. So go ahead and check that out. But these are great thin cuts. There's a big one too that I've used in several videos. And I also brought out some hearts, and these are close to my heart as well. Some hearts, some flowers. These are close to my heart as well, but that yellow doesn't work. And I really want yellow beneath it. That kind of gets lost, and there's not a lot of other white, so we're not going to use that flower. I did get some leaves though, because in the sketch it did have some leaves and a flower. And there is green in there as well. And then I brought out some hearts of different colors that might match. And this is the Harbor color from Close to My Heart. It's beautiful blue gray. It's just lovely. And it matches with that color in the Authentique paper. That's just beautiful. You know, I love how it matches. So I can use those sprinkled around. I did get some of the brown ones as well because, you know, we had the brown on the page with the ink. And then I had some wood ones, but I think these are too brown. Let's see what's on the other side. And of course, you know, I pull out so much stuff and I only use a small amount, but I want to have choices while I'm working on it. And then I had some yellow ones too, so I could pick some of those out. Oh, here's some more flowers. So I do have the brown one I could put there. That looks okay. That one. It's kind of bright. I think I kind of like the plain one better. So that flower might go. And then I had a bunch of letters from kits that I made. And it was Forever Friends with fur for dogs and cats. And I thought I would pull them out and see if the colors match. So that's why these letters are here. And then I won't have to use anything else. But I think it's too much of a bright blue. Well, I'm looking at it right now. Let's see. I could pull out this blue. And that's too bright too. I don't know. I could, if I use some of these leaves though, I could pull it around. Then it might not look so, because this is really light though. It's real like a glacier. So maybe not. Well, it was a thought. It's more this color. That's the color I need. That looks really good like that. That's very cute. And I've got some yellow ones too, but we've already got the yellow pieces, so that's, I think I'm good there. And look, I have these. It's a wood grain frame. Oh, that looks cute too. And then I also cut out some labels because I had the sticker kind of got bunched up here. So I think I'm going to put a label down here and I'll line it up with the mat that the photos are on and have it overlapping so that it doesn't show. I'm not real happy with how that sticker is, but it's, what are you going to do now? It'll be fine. I should have put it on something and then put it there without having it stick. That's how we learn, right? Okay, I put a piece of that color cardstock behind that frame just to give it a little interest, and I really like it. I found these letters from a paper pack that was full of die cut letters, and they need to be punched out. And I was going to toss them because I hate taking the time to punch them all out. But then when I was looking at them, this color popped out and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's a perfect color. And it wasn't that hard. So I'm glad I didn't toss them. They are some really nice colors and I will be able to use them. It's like, yeah, give things a second chance. I'm glad I did. So I'm going to go ahead and get this down and put my hearts and flowers on here. And I have also some of these word phrases that I use on a lot of my layouts that have horses or country. And then this is, again, I've been using this in a couple of my videos, is the thickers pack of these words and things. And I saw one on here, I thought, oh, hello you. So I thought I would put that over here. That'd be cute, right? I have to find something to put it on though, like a shelf or something for it to sit on. And then there's a bunch of hearts on here too that I can use to give it a little bling. So let's get going. All right, I think I've got the layout done. I hope you enjoyed watching that, and I want to remind you to check out in the video description everybody else is playing along with the sketch today. I hope you enjoyed my rendition of it. I love it. I really like it. I'm so grateful that I appreciate things that come together. This could have been a little darker yellow, but I'm okay with it. It's really cute. It says, hello, you. And yeah. So, take care. Have a wonderful day. Close-ups at the end.